welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today we have an unboxing. I'm excited about this one. I hope you are too. You know what it is? Cool. Let me get you set up to review the product and hold that thought. All right, honey, so let's rip this open. This is from that stash. Remember I said I had a stash of diamond paintings? But it says handmade Jean and Carol. I think that's what that says. Handmade Jean and Carol. All right, so that's a cute little card. I'm gonna save that, strip that off and put it right there. It's wrapped up very good. Hope I can get it open. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Well, we got it wrapped up very well. Dun dun dun! What do we have here? I'm sorry about my nails. I am going to do them, but I haven't yet. I'm waiting for these last 3 to pop off from the previous system because it was a crappy system. Oh, come on. All right, let's just say, sorry about that call. All right, so we're going to, look at that. Oh, wow. It's my wooden diamond painting pen. Isn't that beautiful? And I was hoping that she'd send me one that had that I wanted that mark in there, because I know not all of them may have that. Oh, that's beautiful. This is from a Facebook group, and apparently at some point I had put myself on a list. And to be quite honest, y'all, because y'all know I'm about these honest reviews, I hate these freaking lists. I don't like having to be on a wait list to make my order. So I didn't realize that's what was happening, or that the lists were so long when I was signing up on these lists when I first got on Facebook to Facebook groups. So once I realized that, I got aggravated, and then I started going to Etsy and places like that to order my diamond painting pens. And this person, Carol, she sent me an email, a private message, or either a post on Facebook, I think, that my number was up. And I'm like, what number? Y'all, I didn't even remember what kind of pens she had even to order a pen. And I was just scrolling through the first few pictures I found, and I saw this wooden pen, and I thought, you know what? I don't have a wooden pen in my collection, so let's go with that. I have a very small collection at that time. I still have a very small collection, but at least now I have a collection. Then I probably only had 1 or 2 pens, but a small collection. Don't get me wrong, I don't have like this fantastic array of pens, but I still get annoyed by this having to wait till my number is called, and the wait is like extremely long. I just don't have the patience for it. I can't remember what that is. So this is cool because this end has a bump on it, and then there's a bump right here, and then this end is just like a ink pen, like it's just smooth. I think the pen is beautiful. It looks like the craftsmanship of it is very pretty, a great job. I like the way the colors came together. I know that's from the tree, not necessarily from the person, but the way that they shaved it is very good. What I'm not probably going to enjoy, which will cause me not to use this pen, is that it's super light. Like, it's feathery light. It's really light. I'm, as you can see, I have big hands for a woman, but I'm also heavy-handed, and I also grip the pens tightly. So I need this end to weigh down on my hand. If not, I'm gripping so tightly that I'm pulling the pen up. And then I end up writing on here and I end up killing the balls of my fingers. So I like a pen that has weight on it. That's ink pen, marker, whatever writing utensil or diamond painting. I like for there to be weight on the end. Even if I flip it this way, it's got that groove right there. So you can, I don't know if you can see, yeah, see, you see that groove right there? Oh, that feels so good to hold the pen right there. And you have my finger to rest on that big ball. But again, it's so light. I mean, the pen itself is so light. That would be my only problem with this pen, is that it's too light. I need weight. But it's beautifully crafted. It's a beautiful color. I couldn't have asked for it to come out visually more appealing than it already is. I couldn't have asked for better. But I could ask for a little more weight inside the pen. You can see it's dual ended, but both ends are single placers and they're both metal. And I can't pull either one of them out, looks like. That'll be another thing. I don't know that I don't need a single placer on both ends of the pen. I guess when your wax wears out here, you can flip the pen over and just start here. But this is a different feel. I doubt I will ever use this end of the pen because it's so smooth and so narrow. I will more than likely use this end if I use it at all. And you know what? I'm gonna find a ball or something, or either put a bunch of tape and a big ball on this end to force this pen to have more weight on it. I'll let you know what I do with it, but I'm going to do something to the head of this pen to make this end heavy so that it weighs back in my hand and I don't have to, like, that's just, see, it just falls out so easily. I just can't, yeah. I need it to be more weighted. But there's nothing against the craftsmanship. Again, I can't tell you enough. It is beautifully crafted. I simply love the color. I could not have asked for a better visual. It's visually very appealing. The color is beautiful. Reminds me of furniture my grandma had when I was growing up. It's beautiful wooden. I mean, I can't say enough about that, how beautiful that it is, and I'm happy with that aspect of it. And I'm happy with this little groove right here because that's going to be great and then that bump right there goes right on in the cut right here, so that's going to be comfortable. I just need it to be a little heavier, so I'm going to fix that. I'm going to fix that, and I will let you know what I do. It looks good, don't you think? I think so. I think it looks great. All right. So that's the diamond painting pen that I didn't even remember signing up to get, but I think it's beautiful. And we are done. All right, there you have it, Huns. A beautiful wooden handmade pen. Absolutely stunning. I mean, it is just stunning. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, I'd like to ask that you click the subscribe button below and click the little notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video to this channel. Remember, hun, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Love you, Shimmies, babe.